In front of me is LG K62 Plus, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this phone. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and click on date and time right here. And as you can see, you can either have the automatic setup or you can switch it off smoothly by tapping on the switcher and then set the date and time manually by yourself. So as you can see, from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also personalize your time zone, so just click on select time zone and choose whichever you only want to have. And this is it. This is how you can set the date and time in your device. Whenever you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just use the stop switcher smoothly by, not this one, smoothly by tapping, and then it will be set up automatically. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.